In this video, we're going to continue setting up our Facebook pixel.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And we have two options after we've added it. We can do it manually or use Facebook's event setup tool. An event is just something that Facebook will track that happens on your site. So let's use that setup tool. So I'm going to use that same website. And this is a pop-up that Facebook generated. We're just going to go next. We're going to go next. And then we're going to go next. And then Facebook gives you a few options to select an event. So what do you want to track? Maybe if you have something for sale, an event is adding something to cart or initiating checkout, or it's lead, which is like sign up or a complete purchase, or any of these other things like contacting you, donating. There's a lot of, or scheduling an appointment. There's really a lot of potential things that Facebook can track. In our case, let's just say something simple, just for example's sake, view content. And then I'm going to say confirm. So now we have this event set up. So now when we set up our ad, we can select this pixel and this event, and we're going to be able to track like how many people who saw the ad, engaged with the ads, went on to click the site and actually view the content. Now, viewing the content is not a big thing. It's not a lot to track, but at the same time, it's the very basic, the most simplest thing you can do to start tracking things. And once you get comfortable tracking simple things, you can track more complicated things.